this is my group, actually our group, the Broom Skrt. The group leader is Junel Luis A. Magarao, and the group members are Marjonet Aquino, Mariel Auditor, Jaira Santos, Regina Verde, and Nadine Yorong. Good day, sir. I am Junel Luis A. Magarao. My ID number is 2101690. My course is BSIT from Section 2, ITE. Our agenda, number 1, reason why organization undertake information system projects. Number 2, activities performed by the project manager during project initiation. Number 3, activities performed by the project manager during project planning. And number 4, phase of the project management, progress find more challenging.
Hi guys, my name is Mariel Auditor from 2ITB. My group number is 5, Broom Skrt, and my student number is 10, 15, 56. So, I will discuss to all of you the reason why organization undertake information system. So, first, IT system are services that support core functions of any given organization. Could be network upgrade project, a server deployment, a database implementation project, or a VoIP system rollout. As long as these projects support the core services of an organization, information system projects are important. Why? Because in any corporated performance in recent years has been directly correlated with the quality of information system or information technology used by the company and its capacity to effectively utilize that information. The relevance of information system has grown significantly, and most firms are being pushed to implement it in order to maintain their competitive advantage.
Describe the activities performed by the project manager during project initiation. The role of project manager in project management lifecycle is that they are the ones keeping track of the progress of the project, organizing team members, managing timelines, and making sure that the work is done according to original plan. So, the project management life cycle has 4 stages: initiation, planning, execution, and closure. And each stage has different responsibilities for the project manager. But we only focus on the project manager's activity during the first phase of project management life cycle, which is project initiation. So, as we all know, project initiation is the first phase of the project management life cycle. This is where the companies will decide whether the project is really needed and how it will be beneficial to the companies. Project initiation has 6 steps to follow, which are creating business case, conducting feasibility study, establishing a project charter, identifying stakeholders and making a stakeholders registered, assembling the team and establishing a project office, and lastly, final review. These steps helps them organize their work and make sure to finish them on time. So, the activities of project manager in project initiation are that they are the ones who are communicating with the project sponsor. They are the ones in charge of clarifying the 3 main things in project initiation, which are project's objectives, scope, and constraint. The project manager also makes sure that they are following the plan while doing the 6th step in creating project initiation. They also make sure that the project sponsor gives feedback on the process that is happening on the project if it is necessary. So, in conclusion, the activities of project manager in project initiation are that they are the ones who are in charge of reporting all the details and progress happening in the project. They make sure that the project will be done on time, on budget, and within the scope.
Activities performed by the project manager during project planning. First on the list is defining the scope of the project, means developing a thorough description of the project and its output. The main advantage of the defined scope process is that it establishes the parameters of the project by specifying which of the requirements gathered will be integrated into the project. Second, staying on schedule. One of the main goals of project management is to ensure that the project stays and finishes on schedule. Time, money, and energy are all at stake if a project goes over its intended timeline. Third, planning a project's costs and sticking to a budget. A project budget is more than simply a sum of money. It's also a spending strategy that directs it as it develops, carry out, and complete the project. It can make sure the team has the resources necessary to produce high-caliber results when you learn the art of budgeting during project planning. Fourth, estimate project resources, including teams and workers. Means the manager can ensure that projects are never starved of resources and delivered on time. Fifth, develop communication plan, which can assess goals, set better deadlines, and improve any project efficiency. Sixth, documenting the progress of the project, which explains in detail how far you've gone towards the completion of a project. It outlines the activities that were carried out, the tasks completed, and the milestones that reached with the project plan. 7. Assessing risk, to identify processes and situations that may cause harm, particularly to people, which is hazard identification. 8. Troubleshooting, solve or trace faults in a technical or electronic system during the project planning. 9th and the last on the list is leading quality assurance, which includes audits, testing, peer review, and other measures.
Good day, everyone. I am Jaira Luz Santos. For me, the most challenging phases is the project planning. The project planning phase is often the most challenging phase for a project manager, as you need to make an educated guess about the staff, resources, and equipment needed to complete your project. You may also need to plan your communications and procurement activities, as well as contract any third-party suppliers. The purpose of the project planning phase is to establish business requirements, establish cost, schedule, list of deliverables and delivery dates, establish resources plans, obtain management approval, and proceed to the next phase. Project planning communicates deliverables, timings, and schedules, along with team roles and responsibilities. During the planning phase of a project, the project manager is forced to think through potential risks and hang-ups that could occur during the project.
Good day everyone, I'm Martinette Y. Aquino, and for today I will be explaining why I chose initialization to be the most challenging phase out of 4 phases of project management process. For me, this is the most challenging because this is the first step in starting a new project. So it means you will start in zero, you will choose who your teammates were, you will know the range of the age of the user because of the app that you are going to do or the project that you are going to do. During the project initiation phase, you establish why you are doing the project. So that means that this is the critical thing to do, to know what is the value and importance of your project. You establish why you are doing the project, as I said, and what business value it will deliver, then use that information to secure the entire project. After that, securing the persons that you're gonna work with, the value, the range of age, the user-friendly designs, and after all of that, the flow will be good as long as initiating is processed very well. Thank you.